Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about the benefits of eating beef. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Benefits of eating beef. Eating beef can provide several nutritional benefits when consumed in moderation as part of balanced diet. Here are some of the potential benefits. Number one, protein source. Beef is rich in quality protein which is essential for building and repairing tissues including muscles, bones, and skin. Number two, nutrient density. Beef contains various essential nutrients including iron, zinc, selenium, phosphorus, B vitamins such as B12, niacin, and riboflavin, and vitamin D. These nutrients play crucial roles in metabolism, immune function, and overall health. Number 3, iron. Beef is an excellent source of hemi-iron, which is more easily absorbed by the body compared to non-hemi-iron found in plant sources. Iron is essential for forming red blood cells and transporting oxygen throughout the body. Number 4, zinc. Beef is one of the best sources of dietary zinc, which is necessary for immune function, wound healing, and DNA synthesis. Number 5, satiety. Due to its protein and fat content, beef can help increase feelings of fullness and satiety, which is aid in weight management by reducing overall calorie intake. Number 6, muscle growth and maintenance. The amino acids found in beef protein are important for muscle growth, repair, and maintenance, making it a popular choice for athletes and individuals looking to build or maintain muscle mass. Number 7, brain health. Beef contains nutrients such as vitamin B12, and omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for brain health and cognitive function. Number 8, lastly, beef energy. Beef provides a good source of energy to its protein and fat content, which can help sustain energy levels throughout the day. However, it's important to note that while beef offers various nutritional benefits, it should be consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Overconsumption of red meat, including beef, has been associated with certain health risks such as increased risk of heart disease and certain cancers. Additionally, choosing lean cuts of beef and preparing it using healthy cooking methods such as grilling, baking, or broiling can help minimize saturated fat intake. At As with any dietary choice, individuals' needs and preferences should be taken into consideration. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the benefits that we can get by eating beef. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.